Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PC Tech. Today I will show you how to set up Princess Playlist wallpaper for Windows desktop. After finish, you will have a desktop like that. Okay, now I will show you how to make it. Let's go. This is my current desktop. First up on your download file put in description below. You have a zip file, your exact file. You will have a folder with Playlist wallpaper inside. Okay. Next step, you go to Microsoft Store and download a Playlist wallpaper. You click install. This app will help you set up Playlist wallpaper for desktop. You click open. This is Playlist wallpaper interface. In this window, you click Add Wallpaper. You click Open. You go to Desktop and go to folder you download from my channel and select File. You click OK. As you see, now the Playlist wallpaper already set up for desktop. You can minimize the app to system side by click Close. Okay. You right click View, so desktop icon, unstick. And you see a desktop now work clean. Next step, you go to Microsoft Store again and find apps Chance Illusion TP and click install. You click open. This app will change the taskbar to transparent. And you see, you click continue. Okay. For more options, you can go system side. Left click desktop, more option in here, clear is transparent. You can make the taskbar more clean by unspin app in there. You right click unpin, unspin. About 3 app, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar, change to off. Okay. Now we finish the setup Playlist wallpaper for desktop, but you can also make the desktop more beautiful by go to my channel. This is my channel. You go to playlist, screen raise matter for desktop playlist. In this playlist, you can review all screen remaster package and select one package which you like. This package will decorate the desktop like that example. Okay, so I already showed you how to set up Princess Playlist wallpaper for desktop. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.